Okay, hi, my name is Asim, and today I'm just going to show you how we can make a database and how we can create a table in that database. So here we are just going to use my SQL command line, and like when you will open it, so it will ask you for a password, which you should know about, I guess. Okay. First of all, like we will see how many databases or what kind of databases we have in our system. So for that, we can just write show databases and then semicolon, and after that press enter. Now these are the four databases which you can see up here which we have in our system. Okay, to make a new database, first of all, we have to use a command for that, and that is going to be create database. And now you just have to give a name to that database, and it depends on you whatever name you want to give to that database. In my case, I'm just going to give it my name, that is Asim, and after that, you just have to press semicolon, press enter. Now it means that your database has been created and you're good to go. Okay, so before making any table or before working in database, first of all you have to activate that database, or in other words, we can say you should open it. So for that, you will use a command again, and that is going to be use, and now we will write the name of the database, and here the name is Asim, and after that again you will press semicolon, press enter. Database changed, it means now we are in Asim's database. As you can see, we just have to put semicolon after every statement. It means like that is the end of the statement, so that's why we just have to put semicolon every time. Okay, now we are in this database, and now we want to make a new table. So to make a table, it's going to be same thing again. You have to use certain lines, that is going to remain same, and then there are a few changes which you can make in your table. So here I do have some tables which I made before. So I'm just going to copy it from here, and I will paste it here, and then I will show you like how you can make it by yourself. Okay. So again, it means like that database is working. Okay. So here we are again in database. I mean, now I will show you how you can make your own table. So basically you will write create table, and then rep is the name of that table. Again, it depends on you whatever name you want to give to that table. You can do it. I mean, if you want to do it Alex here, so you can do that. So again, it depends on you. So then you will put a bracket, and in that bracket you will explain all the attributes of that table. It's very easy. You can think about it like in a way, for example, like if you're writing a description of a table, like how many chairs, my bad, how many legs it has, what kind of wood they are using, and what color is that. So it's that kind of stuff. So here we have rep, and rep nums mean the number of that representative. Char 2, it means like you have two spaces in your memory. For example, if you want to give any representative number, you consider ID number. So you have two spaces in your memory. It means it could be alphabet, it could be number, it could be a comma, semicolon, like whatever, but you only have two spaces. And that is also the primary key. It means like that is going to be unique for every representative which we are going to use. It depends on you. You can change the primary key to anything else. The basic purpose of the primary key is that it shows that it is that kind of number or name or anything which is unique than any other entry. So yeah, so this is what it is, and then you have to put a comma. You just have to put a comma after every single attribute. As you can say, see again, like last name, then char 15. It shows again like you have 15 spaces in your memory, for the last name. Again, first name is 15 spaces, street, city, state, everything like that. And whatever space you're gonna give, you have to put that. I mean, again, if you have to put that in brackets, as you can see here, because and you will just put that space in those brackets. And all the information which we are putting to make this table, to make the structure of this table, is going to be in two brackets. One is up here, which is not, which is not in that blue light. Which has not been, selected. So this is one bracket is up here, one bracket is up here, and everything is inside this bracket. And after the end, you also have to put a semicolon here. As you can see, we have a semicolon here. It shows that that is the end of the statement. So that is necessary. And I think there is one more thing, which is, as you can see this underscore thing after last name, first name. So according to the syntax of Oracle, I must say, or database, like, you cannot write the name like this. As you can see, I just erased that because that is not going to be acceptable by the software. And you also cannot write it like this because you cannot give a space like this, because again it will create a problem for you and you will have errors when you make the table. So for that we use underscore, you know so in that way it will be working. So yeah, that's it. This is a simple way of how you can make your own tables in database, and I hope you guys like it. So thank you.